So in this video we're going to make this rocket claw machine. For the base mesh you can make it with default cube, then add subdivision modifier. Apply the modifier, add solidify and subdivision modifier. Then separate it into 3 different parts. I make 2 different versions for the bottom part, but I prefer the second one. Then you can create the front part using these faces. Duplicate, then separate object. Extrude it, then adjust the shape. For the insert coin slot, add loop cut. Extrude it twice. Insert face. Then make it circle using loop tool. Extrude it, then insert face. Scale the x-axis, then just make hole by extruded inside. For the bottom one, you can just add some loops and extrude it. The leg part is just a simple plane with solidify, bevel and subdivision modifier. There are also the simple controller and button. For the claw, it's a simplified version from this tutorial. Just using cube and cylinder. The price objects are not very crucial since they are not highly visible. I created these 3 simple objects. For the material, I don't make it by myself, I use Blender Kit for it. But if you want to make it by yourself, you can watch this tutorial. I don't use word lightning, so you can make it black or just set the strength to 0. For the light, I use 2 area light for the outside and 2 area light for the inside of the machine. Then I use emission shader for this part. I also create this object for the backlight. Then uncheck the camera and close visibility. That's all for today's video.